Hello students, good morning. Today's topic is heart sound. Under heart sound, first see what is competency. Competency means at the end of this class, what you should know, what you should study, and what you must know. So competency is describe the genesis of heart sound. So competency. So how the heart sound is produced, what are the causes that you should know. So heart sound, uh, there are physiologically there are four heart sound, and out of these four, clinically only first and second heart sounds are very important. Okay, so we'll go there. Before to that, see the questions. What questions can be asked? The questions, very rarely long question can ask, and under the long question, describe heart sounds in detail. So here you have to describe all four heart sounds. The first heart sound, second heart sound, third heart sound, fourth heart sound, and also add a applied part, add a note on abnormal heart sound. Okay, or short answer questions. The short answer questions, short notes are very popular. The first heart sound or short note on second heart sound. Okay, so we'll continue. You know, in our previous lecture, cardiac cycle, we studied that where the heart sound it comes, how it comes, and what are the causes. If you remember this, try to remind that the first heart sound, it comes at the beginning of ventricular systole. Okay, and second heart sound, it comes at the beginning of ventricular diastole. Okay, that we are just discussed where is the location. Okay, now today we'll continue uh, the details of the heart sounds, and in this slide you can see physiologically there are four heart sounds, but we can say that clinically only first and second heart sounds are very important. Okay, and now four heart sounds, it's a simple topic, small topic. uh, See one by one, and the heart sound, it is studied to you take heart sounds, types of the heart sounds: first heart sound, second heart sound, third heart sound, fourth heart sound. First two are very important, and these heart sounds are studied under the headings. So here take one by one and study under the headings. Headings क्या है देखो. First there is a nature of the sound, then duration, then causes of the sound, properties of the sound, characteristics of the sound, significance of the sound. Then at the end of each sound there is an applied part. When the normal heart sound, it becomes abnormal. Then after applied, you should know the methods of the recording of sound. So like this, one by take one by one points and describe. So I told that was the nature, duration, causes, properties, characteristics, significance, applied part, and the records and the methods of recording. This thing you should discuss under the each heart sound. Now we'll take first heart sound. Okay, now here in first heart sound, first it occurs at the onset of ventricular systole. In cardiac cycle we discuss, as soon as ventricular systole it starts, the pressure in ventricle it increases, and this increased pressure it causes sudden closure of AV valves, and that produce the sound, and that sound is called the first heart sound. Okay, so you can listen the sound like love, okay, for first heart sound, and the dove for second heart sound. तो heart sound कैसे आते हैं students? Love, dove, love, dove. That is the first heart sound, second heart sound. First heart sound, second heart sound. First heart sound love, second heart sound dove. Slightly gap is there. then again it will repeat like love, dove, love, dove. So first heart sound is love. Okay, nature is, and this nature is, so all points here what we are going to discuss, you compare with the second heart sound. Okay, so nature, it is a dull, it is dull here, but if you see in the second heart sound, uh, this this is, we can say that sharp. Okay, so second heart sound is a sharp and short, while the first heart sound is dull and prolonged. Okay, so here nature is of first heart sound is dull, prolonged, like word love. Okay, its duration, the time kitna time leta hai, so 0.1 to 0.14 second. Okay, now see what are the causes of first heart sound. You know, there are the main cause of first heart sound, that is called the valvular cause, and I told that it is due to the sudden closure of EV valves. When the intraventricular pressure increases, it causes the sudden closure of atrioventricular valves, and it produces the first heart sound. Okay, so mitral valve and tricuspid valve get suddenly closed, produce the first heart sound. Okay, so main cause of heart sound is sudden closure of AV valves, but some contributory causes are there. If you remember, you can write in your answer. That is a contributory means at the same time there is a muscular component, that is a vibration of ventricular muscle slightly contribute in sound. Then also vascular component, that is vibration of the great vessels, जो आजू बाजू में जो vessels रहते हैं heart के coronary vessels, that get vibrates. Okay, ventricular muscle get vibrate, it contributes, but main cause is sudden closure of UV valve is a cause of first heart sound. Okay, now what are the properties? Properties of first heart sound. Okay, here very simple. It can be best heard over the fifth intercostal phase along the mid clavicular line. You know where is the fifth intercostal phase? Left side. Just count the fifth intercostal phase, and it is along the mid clavicular line. You know at the same point is it is same point the apex beat is located. Okay, where you can keep the stethoscope, and it is best heard on the fifth intercostal phase. Okay, now this first heart sound, it coincides with carotid pulse. The same time, if you keep your fingers on the carotid pulse and you listen, if you listen the sound with the help of the stethoscope, the dono sound, the you feel the carotid pulse and sound coincides, एक ही time पे आते, so you can easily identify this is a first sound because it coincides with carotid pulse. Okay, the next property, it comes just after the pause between two cardiac cycle. Okay, so first cardiac cycle, second cardiac cycle, the first sound it is in between the two cardiac cycle. Okay, so it comes just after the pause. जसे की love dove is a pause, again love dove is a pause. Okay, then if you see then the ECG recording, okay, ECG, so ECG में it coincides with spike of R waves. If you record the heart sounds on the phonocardiogram and at the same time the ECG recording, so here you know first heart sound it coincides with R wave. Okay, these are the properties. Now what are the characteristics? Characteristics, if you compare with the second heart sound, in first heart sound frequency of vibration is low. Okay, frequency of vibration is low and it is 25 to 45 cycles per second. Okay, then because that is the reason, if the frequency is low, okay, vibration is low, and that is the reason the sound is low speech. So if we compare with the second heart sound, the first heart sound it is low speech, while the second heart sound is high speech. Okay, then amplitude is more. Okay, And you know, if you see the amplitude in the diagram, so जो frequency आती है, देखो हमने just मैंने एक diagram दिखाया, तो उसमें amplitude is more, and therefore the intensity and loudness is more as compared to the second hard sound. Here it is low speed sound, but uh, intensity is the loudness is more. Okay, speech is low because cycle this vibration, this frequency is low, and that's why speech is low, but loudness is more, intensity and loudness is more as compared to second hard sound. Now what is the significance of first hard sound? So while in writing your answer, you write in points like this. Now go to the significance. इसका importance क्या है? So first hard sound, it indicates the onset of clinical systole of ventricle. We discuss in cardiac cycle. So first hard sound, it indicates the beginning of ventricular systole. हम cardiac cycle में देखा है. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि जहाँ फर्स्ट साउंड आता है वो वहीं से ventricular systole start होता है. Okay, so it indicates the ventricular systole. Okay, then duration and intensity indicates the condition of myocardium. So it also gives the information about the normal functioning of the valves also and the myocardium also, because the clear first heart sound indicates the normal functioning of AV valves. You know the AV valves, mitral valves and tricuspid valves, their functioning. If the sound is clear, that means there is no problem in the valves, and the functioning of the valves for valves also it is clear, or there is no problem, or in short we can say that the AV valves are functioning normally. Okay, now after this normal things we discuss, now coming to the what pathology of the, or when the first heart sound it becomes abnormal, in which condition it becomes abnormal. Okay, now here we'll see some conditions when the sound, normal sound, it changes and it becomes abnormal. First, the mitral stenosis. Okay, stenosis and regurgitation, stenosis, regurgitation, mitral stenosis, mitral regurgitation, aortic stenosis, aortic regurgitation. Mainly we are talking about the right ventricle. Here mitral wall, sorry, not right ventricle, left ventricle. And you know, in the left ventricle there is a mitral wall, and if the mitral wall stenosis is there, stenosis means there is a resistance to the blood flow from uh, atria to the ventricle. Are you getting are you getting this? Mitral wall, it is in between atria and ventricle, and if the blood flow from atria to the ventricle is there, if there is a resistance to the blood flow, then that is called the stenosis. Means there is a narrowing of hole or a passage between from atria to the ventricle, and blood it flows with high resistance from atria to the ventricle, and that is called the mitral stenosis. So in this condition, the first heart sound is weak, okay, and of low frequency due to the resistance to the blood flow from left atria to the left ventricle. Okay, so here sound it becomes weak with low frequency, and here increase left atrial pressure up to the 35 millimeter of the mercury. Due to this resistance, what happens is, due to this resistance, due to the stenosis of mitral wall, the pressure in right atrium it increases, right? And due to the increased pressure, the sound it becomes weak. Okay, this is about the stenosis. Now here opposite will happen. There is a regurgitation. Regurgitation means it is a backflow of the blood from the ventricle to the atria. That is from the left ventricle to the left atria. It is called the mitral regurgitation. Regurgitation, leakage of the blood. And in this condition, what happens is here, what is effect on the first heart sound? The a high frequency blowing sound is coming. Okay, high frequency blowing sound is heard. Okay, and instead of coming the normal sound, that is a love, the blowing sound, कुछ तो ऐसा blow हो रहा है, blowing हो रहा है, ऐसा sound आ जाता है, and that is called the uh, uh, that is that is happens in the mitral regurgitation, blowing sound it comes. Okay, now what happens in aortic stenosis? Again, aortic stenosis means narrowing of the aortic wall, and here it creates the resistance or the blood flow between ventricle to the aorta. Okay, and here uh, what is its effects on the first heart sound? Instead of coming normal heart sound, you can hear a loud murmur or thrill sound. Now the murmur sound it comes. Okay, murmur means not exactly normal sound, थोडासा आपण म्हटलं तर नाही का घर घर असा साऊंड येतो. So loud murmur or thrilling type of the sound it comes during the atrial stenosis. And what happens is in atrial regurgitation? Regurgitation means there is a backflow of the blood. When there is a problem in aortic wall, there is a backflow that is from aorta to the ventricle. And in this condition, first heart sound is absent. Yeah, you cannot listen the first heart sound. First heart sound is absent. So like this is applied part of first heart sound. Now, what are the, how can you record heart sound, first heart sound? So, methods of recording. Put the stethoscope on the chest, that is called the auscultation, and listen the heart sounds. So, listening of the heart sound, okay, with the stethoscope, that is called the auscultation. And auscultation, it is called the auscultation with the stethoscope. This is one method. Second method, we can record the heart sounds, first heart sound, second heart sound, third heart sound, fourth heart sound, with the help of the machine, and that is called the phonocardiograph. And the recording that it comes, it is called the phonocardiogram. So you can record it on the as a phonocardiogram. So what is a phonocardiogram? It's a recording of sounds or murmur made by the heart with the help of the machine called the phonocardiograph. So first heart sound can be recorded by the on the phonocardiogram. This is all about the first heart sound. And in case the short note is there on the first heart sound, so you have to write all these points. Okay. Now we'll go to the second heart sound. Students, second heart sound, we are again second heart sound discuss under the same point, same headings, but compare with the first heart sound. Okay, so second heart sound, it occurs at the onset of ventricular diastole. Okay, so if we compare with the first heart sound it comes at the onset of ventricular systole, and the second heart sound it comes at the onset of ventricular diastole. Okay, now the nature is short and sharp. Okay, first heart sound kaise tha? That was a dull and prolonged, but second heart sound is short and sharp, like the word dove. Love, first heart sound, dove, second heart sound. Love, dove. So it is the word dove. Duration is zero point 0.1 to 0.11 second. Now the causes. What are the causes? The main cause, the valvular cause. The cause is sudden closure of semilunar wall. That is the aortic wall and pulmonary wall. Both walls when suddenly close. Okay, that is as soon as ventricular diastole onset, the ventricular pressure fall down, and if the ventricular pressure fall down, then aorta and pulmonary artery, the blood try to come back, roll back, and it is prevented by the semilunar wall, and it causes the sudden closure of the semilunar wall, and this is a cause of first heart sound. Okay, contributory causes are there. There is again there is a vibration of ventricular muscle and the vibration of the great vessels. Okay, that slightly contribute in the second heart sound. Okay, now we'll continue with the heading, next point, that is the properties of second heart sound. Properties Best heard, the second heart sound, it is best heard at sternal border, okay, of second left and right intercostal spaces, okay. These two intercostal spaces, first heart sound हमने कहाँ सुना था, is a fifth intercostal space along with the border of midclavicular line. But second heart sound is best heard all over chest, you can listen, no problem. Both heart sound all over chest you can listen, but best सबसे अच्छा किधर सुन सकते हैं? तो location is, it is just near along with the sternal border in second left and right intercostal space, okay. Now this property will continue. It occurs uh, just after the T wave on ECG, okay. if you see the second heart sound, तो एक second heart sound किधर आता है? Just after the T wave. First heart sound, it coincides with the R wave, but here it comes after the T wave. So these are the these are the properties. Now the characteristics. Characteristics में क्या लिख सकते हैं? The characteristics. The frequency of vibration is more. More means more word. Why more word is used as compared to first heart sound? The frequency of the vibration is more as compared to first heart sound, and it is about the 50 cycles per second, okay. And if the cycles, if the frequency is more, then sound is high speech, okay. So second heart sound is high speech as compared to the first sound, because the frequency of the vibration is more, okay. Then amplitude is less. If you see first, as if you compare with the first heart sound, the amplitude of the second heart sound is less. That's why the intensity and loudness is less as compared to first heart sound, okay. So if the amplitude is less, the loudness and intensity is less as compared to first heart sound, okay. So characteristics of what we discussed, characteristics of second heart sound. Now the significance, clinical significance क्या है? What is the importance of second heart sound? Second heart sound indicates clinical onset of ventricular diastole. हमने देखा है, we studied in cardiac cycle, the beginning of ventricular diastole is indicated by the second heart sound, okay. So this is the importance, significance. The speech is directly proportional to the blood pressure. So here, if the blood pressure is more, then speech of second heart sound, it increases. It is directly proportional. The second clear second heart sound indicates the normal functioning of semilunar valves, okay. So this is very important, because doctor always listen the heart sounds by putting the stethoscope on chest, and normal heart sound, it indicates the normal functioning of second normal heart sound, indicates the normal functioning of aortic valve and pulmonary valves, okay. Now some applied part. Here second heart sound particularly, it becomes abnormal in the condition, and that is called the aortic regurgitation, okay. Aortic regurgitation, mainly here there is a backflow of the blood in the from aorta into the left ventricle, and that is due to the problem in aortic valves. Properly aortic valves बंद नहीं होता है, or due to the structural abnormalities, there is a leakage or the backflow of the blood, and that time, during the second heart sound, at that time a blowing murmur with relatively high speech and switching sound is heard during the diastole, okay. The switching sound or the high speech, the blowing type of murmur you can listen, and that is one of the type of abnormality in the second heart sound, okay. Now the next point, students, next point, methods of recording. Methods of recording is same like the first heart sound. First, we can keep the stethoscope on the chest and the auscultation of the heart sounds, and we can easily listen first heart sound and second heart sound with the help of stethoscope. So that is listening, hearing of the sound, heart sound is called the auscultation. Okay, and second method you can record by on the phonocardiogram. Phonocardiogram, with the machine, I told that the recording of heart sounds or the murmur of the sounds with the help of phonocardiograph, as the tracing is called the phonocardiogram. You can easily record it. Okay, so this is all about the second heart sound. And in case there is a short note on second heart sound, all these points you have to explain, okay, under the second heart sound. Now, main, I told that there are four heart sound, and important clinically first two heart sounds are very important, uh, and that we discuss first and second. Now we'll continue with the third heart sound and fourth heart sound. So something you should know about this heart sound. We here detailed things are not there. It is only one slide for for a third heart sound, and another one slide for the fourth sound. Here just something you should know. So third heart sound, you know, third heart sound, it takes place just after the second heart sound. Okay, तो थर्ड हार्ट साउंड मतलब वो सेकंड हार्ट साउंड के बाद ही आना है, लेकिन फिर भी एक सेंटेंस डाल सकते हैं हम कि ये थर्ड हार्ट साउंड है, ये फर्स्ट हार्ट साउंड के बाद आता है, बट जस्ट आफ्टर द सेकंड हार्ट साउंड के बाद आता है. ओके, यू कैन राइट इन योर आंसर, इट कम्स आफ्टर द second heart sound. And you know, here what is cause will discuss, but the duration is very less, just 0.04 second, and it is not audible. With the help of stethoscope you cannot listen, you cannot hear it by putting the stethoscope on chest wall. Okay, and what is the cause? Now cause already I told there when we are talking about the cardiac cycle, you know, the what is cause of third heart sound? The sudden rush of arterial blood into the ventricle when the AV valves open. You know, after the isometric relaxation phase, okay, as soon as the blood, the pressure, intraventricular pressure, it falls during the diastole. When the intraventricular pressure falls sufficiently down, then there is a sudden opening of AV valves, and once the valves open, the blood from the atria rush into the ventricle and they produce the sound, and that is called the third heart sound. Okay, so I told that it is not audible because with the stethoscope it is not audible. Then it corresponds with the central isometric line between two ECG recording. वो किधर आता है? तो here between the two ECG, जैसे कि R वेव आने के बाद जो नेक्स्ट पी वेव आएगा उसका बीच में ये थर्ड हार्ट साउंड आ जाता है. इफ यू सी ऑन द ECG, then frequency is so less that we cannot be heard with the stethoscope. Amplitude is very less. Okay, then it indicates the beginning of ventricular filling. Okay, so जो cardiac cycle का diagram है, and on that diagram you can see the where is third heart sound. So it just indicates the beginning of filling of the ventricles. Okay, and method of recording, we can record only by using the phonocardiogram. Okay, so can be recorded using the phonocardiogram only. Okay, this is all about the third heart sound. And the students last heart sound is the fourth heart sound, and here it is also called the atrial sound. Okay, so fourth heart sound, why it is called the atrial sound, heart sound, we'll go there. So here where it occurs after the third heart sound. Of course, fourth heart sound, it will occur after the third heart sound. Okay, third के बाद ही आना है fourth को. Okay, due to how, what is it, is due to the contraction of the atria and rapid rush of blood. Okay, so causes is, if you say the causes, it coincides with the atrial systole, the filling of the ventricle, the last filling phase of the ventricle. It coincides with the atrial systole, and when the atria contracts, it pumps the blood into ventricle, and due to this rushing of the blood, sudden rush of the blood into the ventricle, it produces the sound that is called the fourth heart sound. Okay, and it is due to the atrial contraction, means atria contract the blood rush into the ventricle. That's why we can also say it is atrial sound. Okay, now here, uh, this is the same thing, comes after the P wave of the ECG. ECG में देखा तो it comes just after the P wave on ECG. Frequency is very low, is a 20 cycles per second. Amplitude is least among all heart sounds, सबसे कम है amplitude. That's why its loudness is very less. Loudness though we cannot listen by the stethoscope, it is not audible. Then it indicates last rapid filling phase of ventricle. Okay, and corresponds with the atrial systole. So I told that the fourth heart sound indicates the last rapid filling phase of the ventricle, while the third heart sound indicates the first beginning of, or the first rapid filling phase, first rapid filling phase, and fourth is last rapid filling phase. Okay, last point under the fourth heart sound, it is a method of recording. So method of recording is same like third heart sound. So we can record on phonocardiogram only. We cannot hear it with the stethoscope. It is because it is not audible, and it is recorded on fourth heart. So students, like this very simple topic, but clinical point of view it is important, and you should be able to write the answer, the four heart sound, first heart sound, second heart sound, third heart sound, fourth heart sound. Okay, and label it properly and describe under these points. Okay, that's all, and this is the end of the lecture. And if you have any difficulty, any doubt, you can react through the WhatsApp, or by any way you can ask me if you have doubt, any doubt. Okay, students, bye bye. Good day.